Today, we're discussing the steps to form a limited liability company, or LLC, for your dropshipping business. So, why bother with an LLC for your dropshipping business? Well, an LLC can protect your personal assets. If your business faces any legal issues, your personal belongings, like your house or car, are generally kept safe. Plus, an LLC can make your business look more professional to potential partners or customers. Here's something especially important for dropshippers. Having an LLC can help you build stronger relationships with suppliers and online platforms. Many suppliers prefer working with officially registered businesses because it shows legitimacy and reliability. It can also help when dealing with payment processors or resolving chargebacks, since operating as an LLC makes your business look more credible and trustworthy. Now, let's get into how you can set this up. First off, you'll need to choose a catchy name for your LLC. Make sure it's unique and reflects what your business is all about. Once you've got a name, it's time to file articles of organization. Think of this as your LLC's birth certificate. You can find the forms on your state's website, but if you want to skip the hassle, legalregistration.com has got your back. Next, you'll need a registered agent. This is someone who will handle important legal documents for you. You can be your own registered agent, but many choose to have a professional service do it. This way, you don't have to worry about missing any crucial paperwork. After that, you'll want to create an operating agreement. This document lays out how your LLC will run and who's responsible for what. Even if you're the only person in your business, having this document can help prevent disputes later on. Don't forget to get your employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. It's like a social security number for your business, and you'll need it to open a bank account or hire employees. Remember to keep your business finances separate from your personal ones. This means having a dedicated business bank account and credit card. It might seem like extra work, but it will save you a headache come tax time. And here's one last pro tip. Once your LLC is up and running, make sure to stay compliant with your state's annual requirements. This usually means filing an annual report and paying a small renewal fee. Keeping your LLC in good standing ensures you maintain that legal protection and continue to build a professional image for your dropshipping brand. Setting up an LLC might seem like a lot, but breaking it into steps makes it manageable. And if you need any help along the way, visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Before you head off to start your LLC journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides. Good luck with your business, and see you next time.